आनी ताका थर्ड फ्लोरार इन द कॉरिडोर बसयला. Nobody was attending. That is the time I got a call. I intervened. I tried to find out. They said, "Anga cardiologist na. On Thursday or something, some consultant yeta." Now he is such a huge district hospital, catering to the entire district. If we don't have a cardiologist, which is the most common disease today, that means there is something wrong. So, cardiologist na, ambulance na, and the first thing we do is we ring up 108. The question is 108 आम्ही आता आपयता because people are convinced हांगासर ambulance मेळपाक ना. There's something wrong in it. So I will be raising all these issues now.
तुम्ही एक ॲम्ब्युलन्स प्रॉमिस केलो.
होय. That we are already processing the case. आमचो बाब सावियो कुतिनो, moment that accident happened, one innocent person lost his life. There was no ambulance. Precious time was left आणि तो बाबडो सोंपलो. तेन्ना आमी डिसिजन घेतलें. when he brought to my notice, he said we will provide. So fund आतांच रिलीज जाल्ले आहा and we are processing that case.
Last time health minister and he had promised to start neurology and cardiac OPDs here. So he promised it to be it will be done in November. So this we are in November. Do you feel that these promises will be fulfilled? What would be your reaction to all these promises?
See,
because the health minister
keeping politics aside, जेन्ना एक हेल्थ मिनिस्टर असले प्रॉमिस करता, लोकांक एक आशा येता. आशा दिसता की बाबा हाचे फुडें आमकां कोण दोतोर आसतले म्हण. मोस्ट कॉमन रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर न्यूरोलॉजी, हार्ट, दॅट इज कार्डियक. एवरीबडी इज बीइंग शिफ्टेड देयर. आमी एक आतां केस सांगली कितें जालें तें. आय वेंट पर्सनली टू GMC आफ्टरवर्ड्स फॉलो. आनी एक आमचे बरोबर एक भुरगो भोंवता बाबूश म्हण. ही मॅट विथ अ सिवियर एक्सिडेंट, हेड इंजरी. वी नीड टू टेक हिम टू GMC. So then, what is district hospital doing? It cannot operate like a primary health center. Thank you.
Captain, campaign